I don't know. I feel like this is something that should be obvious, but it feels like it needs to be said. See, Lagos State is Lagos State because of Igbo. It's not something it's a fact. And if you don't believe me, look this up yourself. You will find that at least 40 to 48% of all the cargo that comes into Nigeria through Apapa is going to the east, is going to Aba, is going to Onitsha. That means the money that Lagos the money, the trade, the business that is Lagos, that is sustaining Lagos, is Igbo tradesmen. That means if today Calabar, Port Harcourt, Rivers, any one of these states, Rivers or Cross River, decide to build their own, or government gives them a permit to build their own port, I am telling you, Lagos will see 50% of its cargo stop coming there. This is not something to... The reason I'm saying this, I know acknowledging this is adding to the division that I'm seeing already, but the reason I'm acknowledging this is because, see, what is good for Lagos should be good for anywhere, any part of Nigeria. It's something to be proudful of, that Igbos are bringing business in. It's not something to start making noise and saying, oh, you need to go back to the... What the fuck is wrong with y'all? Seriously, what the fuck is wrong with y'all? We have some serious problems in Nigeria, and I really don't know how we're going to fix this shit, man. Honestly, I don't.